Hello, my name is Dean Cutler with Construction Ready. Today we're going to wire a simple circuit which includes a ground fault circuit interrupter along with the duplex receptacle. The tools we'll be using today: lineman pliers are used to cut wires. The needle nose pliers are used to bend terminal loops. Wire strippers are used to strip the outside coating of the wire. Diagonal pliers are used to cut in hard to reach places. Cable rippers that are used to rip the outside coating off of the cable. We have a slotted screwdriver. We have a Phillips screwdriver. Of course, we can't forget our safety glasses and our cut-proof gloves. For today's project, you'll need one handy box, one metal octagon box, 3 Romex box connectors, one GFCI receptacle, one duplex receptacle, and 12-2 cable. You will also need one piece of plywood approximately 12 inches by 16 inches. To begin this project, we're going to insert a piece of 12-2 cable into the first box. This piece represents the power source for this circuit coming from the service panel. We'll secure the cable in the box using the box connector. Each cable must have roughly 6 inches of cable in the box. The second piece of cable will join the two boxes together. Tighten that box connector down. Once again, the first cable represents our source coming in. Inside this cable is our black wire, which is carrying our power, our white wire, which is our neutral, and our bare wire, which is our ground. This cable connects this box to this box. The first box will hold our ground fault circuit interrupter, which also will protect our duplex receptacle, which will be in this box. We will now expose the wires using the cable ripper. Using our diagonal pliers, we remove the excess insulation. The next step will be to strip the insulation from the wire. This is a size 12 wire, therefore we'll use the second hole from the bottom. We want to strip back roughly 3/4 of an inch, exposing the wire. Looking at our ground fault circuit interrupter, we'll notice that we have a white screw and a gold screw. If you look on the back, it says line. These two screws are for where the power enters. So in this scenario, this is our power coming in. So these two black and white wires will hook to these terminals here. We'll remove the protective coating to expose the bottom screws. These two screws, and it will say load. So these two screws will run to the second receptacle, which means that when this GFCI trips, it will also trip the second receptacle, which makes it GFCI protected also. We will bring in an additional bare wire to join these two together to form what's called a pigtail. Trimming off the excess. We'll now add a green wire nut. We'll tuck the bare wires into the bottom of the box. We'll hook the ground first. Slide it under the clamp. Using my slotted screwdriver, I will secure the bare wire. Take the white wire from the power source, take it to the line side. I will now take the white wire running to the duplex receptacle, connect it under the load side. We will now take the black wire from the source and the black wire running to the duplex receptacle under the load side. We will now connect our duplex receptacle. As a reminder, the duplex receptacle has 2 gold screws. The gold screws is for the power wire, which in this situation is the black wire. On the reverse side, you have 2 silver screws, which is for your neutral or white wire. The bare wire, which is the ground, goes to the green screw. For this one, we will make terminal loops. We will now hook the duplex receptacle first by hooking the bare wire to the green screw, which is the ground. We'll connect the white wire to the silver screw, which is our neutral wire. the black wire to the gold screw. Notice the terminal loop goes in the same direction as the screw as it tightens. We've now completed our GFCI circuit. The GFCI in this scenario also protects the duplex receptacle, where both are GFCI protected now.